Hi, I'm Josh, and I'm going to show you how to make my Grim Reaper Naga Ghost Phall, one of the hottest curries available, far hotter than the vindaloo and made from scratch. This version is made with Carolina Reaper, Naga Ghost, Scotch Bonnet, Habanero and birdseyechilli, along with the distinctive taste of Mr Naga. It's certainly not for the faint-hearted. As always, a full list of the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. Please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. To begin, we're going to heat a pan on medium. Add the vegetable oil, then the fennel seeds. Give them a little stir and allow to fry until the fennel seeds start to sizzle. Add the finely diced onion, stir through and continue to fry for a few minutes until they start to brown and soften. It's fine to use normal white or brown onions in this dish, but I find the sweetness of the shallots help cut through the spiciness of the dish. Don't skimp on the amount of oil used at this stage. There's a lot of spices going in the dish which we need cooked out. You can always skim off any excess at the end and save to go in your next curry. When the onions have softened, add the garlic and ginger paste along with the watered down tomato puree. Stir through and fry for around 60 seconds until the strong smell of the garlic reduces and the oil begins to separate. Turn up the heat a little and add the mixed powder, salt, methi, coriander, cumin, turmeric and the garam masala and stir through thoroughly. Add a little water if required. Combine and allow to cook out for a couple of minutes until the oil begins to separate. Time to add the heat to the dish, so add the chili powder, Carolina Reapers, Naga Ghost chilies, Habanero flakes, birdseyechilli and the Scotch Bonnet. I'll leave a link to where I purchased the chilies from below. The Scotch Bonnets were from Morrison's. Add a little more water, stir through and once again fry until the oil starts to separate. There are a lot of spices here, so you need to make sure they are cooked out thoroughly, otherwise you could end up with gritty or grainy curries. The fumes from this stage can be quite overpowering, so you may want to open a window or turn the extractor fan on. Once the oil separates, turn up the heat to high, add the remaining hot water and your choice of meat. I'm using my yogurt-free chicken tikka. The link for this is popping up now and in the description below. Stir through well and cook until the oil begins to separate again. Reduce the heat slightly as it tends to spit a lot at this stage. Add the Naga pickle, sugar, a sprinkle of fresh chopped coriander, saving a little for decoration, and the lemon juice. Stir through well and allow to simmer until the oil separates once more, and the meat is cooked through and the sauce is the consistency you require. Serve sprinkled with the remaining fresh chopped coriander. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.